how to install Planday Employee Scheduling app. So just tap Get and double click to install it. You'll be able to install it, and this is like your powerful scheduling and workforce management platform. Build and publish schedules on the go, get a full overview of time worked, keep all team members up to date with messages, store all staff documents and information in one place, and save up to 80% time on management tasks. So this is like a Danish built company which helps with time tracking and like employee management. It's built just for managers and staff. When like for example, imagine you own a cafe, or there is like maybe it's not even like for smaller business, but like there is a huge chain of like burgers, like Cocks and Cows, for example, and then they just kind of all the waiters, everyone just need to manage like the tables, and then you need to manage staff. So this is like the tool which you will kind of use in this kind of situation. Or I don't know which chains or food networks or whatever using it, but this is basically like, for example, imagine McDonald's. So this is an app not to manage the orders or something like that, but just to manage time shifts and all of that for staff. So so shift swapping, availability setting, you can request vacation directly from the app, keep everyone involved by sending group or individual messages, improve efficiency with location-based time clocking, and all of the things you can just manage in this app. That's basically pretty advanced app. It's quite popular in Scandinavia. It was recently acquired by Xero, and then you just log in with your company's portal URL, and then you can just proceed with creating your account.